slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move.
Again, here we are an Expo. It's 2025 car exhibition. This is the second round of this video. We are going to describe and to provide you more and unique modified car and customized vehicles. Behind me there is a lot of more than 300 and 400 vehicles which is have competitions for the car modifications, and others more thing is heavy by classic vehicles and old model car. So stay with us. We will going to explore one by one to show you how it look like. This car exhibition is 2025. It's a huge and big competitions between the modified car customers. So stay with us, don't skip the video, and we will move forward to the yard and we'll explore. So let's get it started. This is the one of unique vehicles. It's a Gemini Suzuki's 2008 660cc. It's created by Sharjah Classic Museum. This is the unique piece on this 2025 exhibition. This is huge and big effort. Its body is totally plastic. The frame is converted from the Gemini and they convert to the Jeep style. All models classic. Look at this, it's brilliant and more shiny. It's providing more lighting, like it's affecting to the LED lights. So it's huge modifications from the Sharjah Classic. I think they should have to win this exhibition. Like this is only one in the world, and there is no other pieces I didn't see. Let's move to the Safari yard. This is the old 92, 91 and all classic Safari fuel injections. Huge modifications, turbo and supercharged converted engines with the huge and high modification engines. Off-roads and this is racing vehicles. Like this is the Safari lovers, how they modify. Look, there is many more cars. This is the GMC or Silverado, something like that. ആയിരുന്നു.